Valarie Carter. I work for OUTU School of Community Medicine, and I'm the lead chef for the culinary medicine program, so I teach medical students and PA students culinary skills and basic nutrition principles so that they can have an understanding of that and hopefully pass that on to their patients. So for providers, they need to know how to talk to patients about food, and if you know how to cook or know anything about food preparation, you're more likely to talk to your patients about healthy cooking. The menu itself was based on the Mediterranean diet, and that's important because we know that that's an area of the world where people have longevity and they have very healthy behaviors and healthy lives. I mean, I feel like this was the easiest gig ever. I just show up and I write on a document a beautiful menu, and then all the instructors and the students execute it. They did such a fantastic job. So I think that OSUIT is a little gem that maybe doesn't get the recognition it deserves sometimes. The culinary program here is fantastic. It has fabulous chefs that are teaching students so that they can go out into the culinary world and really thrive and succeed. So I just keep coming back. I love the people, and so everything that we did today, I'm hoping that people came away saying, I can eat very healthfully, it's very satisfying, it's filling, and it's delicious.